going to show you about urban heat island prediction using machine learning project. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type python manage.py run server. Copy this IP address and paste it on any browser. This is our project's index page. This project is divided into three modules: admin, model builder and user. Let's see what are the functionalities of admin. Credentials are admin and admin. Admin uploads the dataset so that model builder can use it to train the models. These are the dataset stats. View users and manage feedbacks. Next module is model builder. Credentials for model builder are builder and builder. So model builder using this dataset to train Xgboost and Lightgbm. So this is the training result of Xgboost algorithm. And next we need to train Lightgbm. This is the training result of Lightgbm. And we can compare the models to check whether which algorithm or which model is performing better. In my case, Xgboost is outperformed Lightgbm. Logout. Our next module is user. Sorry. So users should register first and then login. We are using this algorithm to make predictions. Okay. First we need to enter latitude and longitude, or we can select manually as well. And we should enter environmental parameters. and we can predict the temperature based on the parameters, and we can also predict live. We need to start prediction. We can see the changes in graph. We can stop prediction as well. We can send feedback to admin about the application and log out.